Hi everyone, and welcome to the fourth episode of Revit Programming using Python. And today's video is gonna be about setting parameters. So let's get into it. So the idea today is that I want to set an occupancy load in here for each of these offices. So let's see how can we do this. So if you go to the Revit API docs under the element class, if you click on members and go to L, you will find something called lookup parameter. So if you click on this, it takes a string as an argument. So this is how we can find a parameter to set a value in it. So this is the first part of our syntax needed, and the second part is to set a value. So if you go to the parameter members in parameter class and you scroll down, you will find something called set. This one, which takes again a string as a value. So let's go to our script and see how to do it. So in the last video, if you watched it, I showed how to collect elements and we collected rooms. So I'm going to use the same script and I'm going to add to it the following things. So let's see. So first of all, I created a definition or a function which is set parameter by name, which takes an element, a parameter name and a value. So the function is element dot lookup parameter, as we said, and we type here the parameter name as a string, and then we set a value, which is again a string, which is the value that we want to set inside this parameter. So, and then I created a loop which goes through all rooms and gets the area of each room, and then I'm going to use this area and divide it by 100, which is the occupancy load factor, and then I'm going to use the occupancy load here as a value, and the parameter name, as you can see, is the occupancy, and you have to write it as a string, as we said. And the first argument is of course the element, which is room in this loop. So this is how to use the function. And the last thing to do is we need to round these numbers. So, and of course, as we said here, we need a string, and this is not a string, it's a number. So we need to write str, which is string, and close the bracket here. And of course you have to open the transaction and make sure that you close it. So let's run it now. So if we go and check this room here, so the occupancy load is 4, and here it's also 4, here it's 5, 3, 4. So this was it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.